Alright everybody, it looks like the traveler's trip is going to be about like this. At least that's what it's been like so far. We haven't had many hours that we've been able to get on the road and actually travel. It's been all like this. It's everywhere. Hudson River?
Yep.
The Hudson River. Crossing the Hudson. It's going together nice, actually. Real nice. Long ways from home, people. We're up for the challenge. The travelers. Mobile home. Rubber. You can see that one's got rubber on it with no overhang. You'll see the difference on that to what we do. That's what I used to do back in the day. Just like that. No plywood, nothing. We quit doing that. Now we've changed to this. 4 to 6 inches overhang. OSB. Screwed down. Rubber glued. Should be. Rubber glued down to the OSB. 2x4 runs down the sub fascia. Wrap it with aluminum fascia metal, whatever color you want. Turn bar on it. Go home. Nothing like that. That's old school. Ain't no overhang at all whatsoever. This is a question I get a lot about this. A lot of people say, can I put a gutter on there if I put a rubber roof on? You can. Yeah. You can. I'm not sure how they're getting all their water off the roof and into that gutter. I don't think they are. It's got to be something going behind that, but that's one that somebody did. So if you're curious, can it be done? That's about the flattest one I've ever seen, Paul. Look at that thing.
Yeah, it's flat.
That's a flat. No pitch at all.
Zero.
Wires running all down the middle of it, probably. But yeah, see them gutters. I don't know how they, unless they leave a piece of rubber underneath that termination bar up top there and let it flap into the gutter. I don't know how they could have water going through a gutter. Yeah, watch them trailers right there. If it's flat like that, 2 inches or less pitch, you want to keep your eye out on it. Make sure you go back to my other videos and check out the ones what shows the wires running on top of the rafters. You don't want to run into that situation. So if you haven't seen it, go find my video that shows fire hazards or wires over top of rafters or whatever. Go check that out. It's a very, very must-see video. Scare the crap out of you. If it doesn't, anyway. Rubber roof over there too of some type. So somebody's around here doing these things. Not sure who, but nothing like what the travelers do. So we got a plan. Breakdown.
Down on his left leg and fist on his left leg and move and everything else. Up in his hand skills. Yeah. It was more of a hunting cabin than it was a
OSB. Running an extra piece down here because we needed that extra 7 inches to get our overhangs on both sides. As you see, we had an overhang. That's how we get our overhang, by letting the plywood hang past however far we want it to. Running a 2x4 down through there. Comes out beautiful. You see all these red marks, obviously, as I say in every video, very important.
They had a cabin up there also.
That's what you're gonna run your screws into. It tells you where to put your screws. It's needle. Obviously, we have to have a sub fascia to attach our metal to, so we always go ahead and run some screws down through here, just so that we can throw them up there and hold it in place and tighten everything down.
We can roll.
Yeah, we can roll with it. Roll with it. Get it ready. Yes, sir. Pop some lines down through here. Make sure that these outside screws get in properly. I'm there all day, I guess, according to what I'm seeing here. Yeah, yes, sir. All the way down. Yes, sir. This side. Same thing over here. And wherever you're at there, buddy. Right. I mean, my screw is back here, but seems like I should have been right there. I'm gonna go with that. That'll be close enough to get us where we need to be. That'll be good. You already measured it?
I'm ready in. 75 7/8.
All right. Center. That works. Line up the outside. Beautiful. Beautifulness. Love it. Nice 6-inch overhang, see? 5 inches actually on this one. Probably not this video, but one of the videos I put up next week. Somebody was asking me questions about how to bend the metal for these corners. I'm going to show you how. Be watching for that video. I will show you how. Thanks for asking. Good question. Brand new EPDM rubber roof. Brand new.
With plywood.
With OSB. No plywood up here.
Yeah, OSB. Same thing. I think it's better than plywood.
I like it. Better.
Mine's better.
I'd put it on my house.
Mine's better.
I'll put it on my house first before
Yeah, you're in your house.
That's what I know. That's what I would use on mine before I went with plywood. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Some people try to talk it down, but they're just thinking of the old stuff. Garbage stuff back in the day.
Bottom of the seal, not top of the seal.
Right.
And that's no better now.
No, it's sealed. Teamwork makes the dream work. Nice overhang. Beautifulness. This thing is going to look so sweet. So sweet. I almost got a color of that, just like that, instead of the white. Yeah, they had that color, but they only had one roll of it. Yes, sir. This thing's turning out. Top is done. We just turned bar metal. Come on. Done. Go back to the motel.
Take a shower.
Wonder what time checkout is.
Don't know, she's paying.
No, she only paying for Monday, Sunday and Monday.
Huh?
Sunday and Monday. That's today. I pay tomorrow.
Oh, yeah? Probably grab my car.
Probably. I mean, but I'm not staying.
No.
I'm out.
Hey.
We're gonna be in New York tomorrow night.
You know what I mean? We gotta get